welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sidney Abili. As you know, we're always doing something different. We're doing the very popular braided ponytail hairstyle. I've been seeing this a lot on Instagram. I think it's super cute and it looked easy enough to do, so today I decided to try it and I'm taking you guys on this journey along with me. If you want to see how I got this gorgeous look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm starting out with some freshly washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried hair. This is very important so that your hair is not itchy while it's in this style. Next, you're going to need a rat tail comb. This you can get at literally any hair store. It's like a couple dollars, but the important part is the thin edge of the brush. This is going to be great for getting a nice straight part. A part is so important because that is the first thing people are going to see, so you really just want to take your time with this. Next, I'm going to be parting my hair into a total of 3 sections. The back is going to be one section, and I'm splitting the front in half for 2 more sections. Taking a plastic clip to secure my section. I prefer plastic over metal because it doesn't snap my hair, and then I repeat on the next section. Then I'm taking my handy dandy amazing shine and jam in this yellow orangish container. This stuff is amazing. I use this for braids, I use it for slick backs. It's just so good at laying down the hair. And I know this isn't the best angle, but in the next clip you'll see a better angle of me laying down my hair. Then I'm taking my Denman brush, but you really just need any hard bristle brush that can really get through your hair, because I don't know about y'all, but my hair is thick. Then I'm just taking a simple old scrunchie and securing my hair while I move on to the next section. And here's the much better angle I was talking about. You can clearly see how and where I'm applying the shine and jam and then brushing my hair back for the ponytail. I start to get really excited because it's really starting to lay down and get slick, and I can see what I want coming to life and looking really good. Like look at this. I'm literally so embarrassing. And I just repeat the exact same thing with this section and the next section of hair. And just like that, I am done with my whole head. It actually didn't take as long as I thought it would. And now I'm just showing you how it looks from the side. And here I noticed some beady beads on the back of my neck. Girl, I had to get that. Oh my gosh. I can't have no kitchen on the back of my neck. That is just not cute. And that little dot there is a birthmark, so don't worry about it, sweetheart. Now I'm just going to detangle my ponytail and add some shine and jam to it and get ready to create the braid. I'm taking some pre-stretched expression braiding hair in the color 33 to match the hair dye in my natural hair, and I'm going to have the information in the description box below. I take the braiding hair in 2 sections and my natural hair is the 3rd section, and I basically begin to braid. As I get down further, I take parts from the 2 braiding hair sections and add it to the section of my natural hair, extending the section's length. So if you want an extended length to your ponytail, right here I'm adding in some more braiding hair right where my braid starts to get a little thin. This will give you the extended length that you're looking for. However, later on in the video, I took out the extra hair that I added in because I preferred the natural length and didn't want any extended length in my ponytail. So this is how long the braid would look with the extended ponytail when the hair is added in later. Then I seal the end of the braid with a rubber band. This is the extended ponytail when it is finished, but there's still another step to complete the look. This step is optional, but if you want your ponytail to look a little more natural at the top, you can take some extra braiding hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail just like I'm doing. Of course, no slick back ponytail look is complete without some Got2b glue spray. I take this spray and put it all over my head and then I brush through my hair one last time. This step is also optional, but I just get these wraps from my local beauty supply store. It's just stretchy paper that you can tie onto your hair to lay it down. I take this around my edges and then I just tie it in the back and let my hair dry. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes. I got myself all done up and now I'm ready to take the wrap off of my head and show you the final results. Look at that, nice and slick. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try it out yourselves and let me know how it goes. If you did try it yourselves, let me know if you had some success, if you switched it up a little bit. I would love to hear. That is all I have for you guys today. So I hope, as always, you guys are taking care of yourselves and staying healthy and safe. And I will see you, as always, in my very next upload. Peace.